Struggling to delete leads in Pipedrive? The delete button is hidden. Watch this to clean your pipeline in 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click, from opening Pipedrive to confirming deletion, so you never waste time hunting for options again. All right, let's start. The first thing you want to do is open up Pipedrive. Just log into your account like you normally would. You'll land on your dashboard. Now look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical sidebar with a bunch of different options. This is your main navigation. Go ahead and click on Leads. It should be near the top. Once you click that, give it just a moment for the Leads inbox page to load. This is where all your leads live. You'll see a list of them, probably with names, contact info, and maybe some status tags. Take a second to scan through. Get familiar with what you're looking at. This is your workspace. The goal right now is to find the exact lead you want to get rid of. Scroll down if you have to. Maybe you've got a test lead cluttering things up, or an old inquiry that went nowhere. Whatever it is, locate that one specific lead. Now, pay attention to this part, because this is where most people get stuck. On the far right side of that leads row, you'll see 3 little dots stacked vertically. That's the 3-dot menu. Click on it. A small action menu will pop up. This is the hidden menu I was talking about. You'll see options like edit, convert to deal, maybe merge, but what you're looking for is further down. Click delete. It's right there. Now, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. It might ask, "Are you sure you want to delete this lead?" or something similar. Don't skip this part. Read it. It's just making sure you didn't click by accident. I always take that 1 second to double check I've got the right lead selected. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Now, this might take a moment to process. It's usually pretty fast, but don't worry if there's a tiny pause. Just watch the screen. You'll see the lead disappear from the list. And that's it. The lead is gone. Let's do one quick verification. Look through your leads inbox again. Scroll around a little bit, make sure that lead is no longer hanging around. There it is. Or rather, there it isn't. Your pipeline is officially cleaner. So in my experience, once you know where that 3-dot menu is and where the delete button hides inside it, this whole process takes about 30 seconds. No more wondering where the option went, no more clutter. Just a clean, organized list of leads that actually matter. Thanks for sticking with me. Go ahead and clean up your pipeline, and I'll catch you in the next one.